Good morning children. Hope all are good at home. Are you doing the homework regularly? Very good. Now today we are going to learn a new lesson in your English term 1. Okay, what is the lesson? A tree for all. First of all, listen children, you have poems also in your textbook and grammar is also there. So first I am completing all the lessons, then I will finish away the poems, then I will teach you the grammar. Okay, so don't worry about the grammar. I'll teach you the grammar also slowly. I'll take up the classes for that also. So for today, let us discuss about your lesson, a tree for all. You know, lot many trees in your neighborhood, or when you're going out, or when you're going to park to play, you find lot many trees. What does a tree give to us? Tell me children, what does a tree give to us? Yes, trees give us shade, trees give us fruits, and trees gives the wood with which we are, what do you see, you are preparing all sorts of furniture. What, from where we are getting the furniture? From the wood. From the wood, from where we are getting from the trees. Now let us just discuss a tree for all, the lesson in your textbook. Now take out your page number 34 in your textbook. Now be ready with your pencil also. Whenever I am asking you to underline a word, you have to underline that particular word with a pencil children. Have you ever seen a banyan tree? Have you ever seen a banyan tree? Underline the word banyan children. Okay, now banyan tree is very big tree. So have you ever seen, whenever you went out or whenever you went to a park, have you seen any banyan tree? The banyan tree is very large tree. It is very large tree. Okay, it is one of the largest trees that grow in India. So it is one of the, we have lot many largest trees, but say banyan tree is the largest tree that grows in our country. A fully grown banyan tree can be as tall as a 3-storied building. Listen children, how tall is the banyan tree? Complete, if you see a fully grown banyan tree is such a tall, if you see a 3-storied building, a building that has 3 floors, a building that has 3 floors, how tall is that building? That much tall is the banyan tree. It can grow only in wide open places. So we do not see many of them in the cities. So since the banyan tree is very tall, we cannot see in our regular neighborhood because it grows in only the open places. The small space is not sufficient for the banyan tree to grow. So you will find a banyan trees in the open places. But in our cities, wherever you see, we have lot many apartments. Complete space is being occupied with the huge apartments, right? So banyan tree is very tough for us to see in the cities. But if you go to villages, you will find lot many banyan trees because in villages the space will be very less and banyan tree grows in a open space. Okay children, in your paragraph, first paragraph, you are going to underline banyan tree, largest, let me write it, banyan, largest, and third one, 3-storied. 3-storied in the sense the building that has 3 floors. Building that has 3 floors is nothing but 3-storied building. So these are the new words what you are going to underline in your first paragraph. So what is the first paragraph is saying? The banyan tree is very tall as a 3-storied building, and the banyan tree grows in the open places. So in cities it is tough for us to find a banyan tree. A banyan tree looks like a palace standing on pillars. It does not have just one main trunk like other trees do. It has many thick branches hanging down like trunks. So how does a banyan tree looks like children? It looks like a palace, huge palace. You know what is a palace? Where the kings and queens used to stay? That is a palace. So if you look towards a banyan tree, it is a huge tree and it looks like a palace. And it does not have one main trunk. It has too many trunks, but other trees will not have that many trunks children as banyan tree has. It has many thick branches. If you see the banyan tree, suppose this is a tree. The banyan tree has the thick branches hanging down. Okay, thick branches will hang down for the banyan tree. If you see in your page number 34, they gave the picture of a banyan tree. So all the branches, the thick branches are hanging down for the banyan tree. Roots can be seen coming down from these branches. So the roots, you know what are the roots that fixes the plant in the soil. So you can even find the roots to the branches that are hanging down. They grow into the ground and look like thin trunks. So what happens, since the roots are also coming to the branches, they penetrate or they enter deep into the soil and it looks like a thin trunks. It looks like a thin trunks. They support the huge branches of the banyan. The banyan is very useful tree. It gives shade and shelter to the people and animals. Children love to swing from its hanging roots. People like to sit in its shade. Now since these branches are hanging down and the roots will enter into the soil, so what is happening? These branches are giving support to the trunk that are inside the tree and it is giving support to the huge banyan tree. Now as the banyan tree is very huge, it is very useful to all the people. In what way? It is giving shade and also shelter. Suppose any rain is coming, so most of the people will come under the banyan tree so that they will not become wet. So it is giving shade and also shelter to the people and animals. And also children love to swing. Uyala, eppadaina uyala kattukodam chusara tree ki? Yes, so they tie the swing to the trunk of the tree and they swing. People like to sit in it, they love, because it will be very cool when you are sitting under a banyan tree. Now see here in the picture you can see which is the banyan tree, the second one, because it has the branches hanging over down. A banyan tree is a home to many animals. Yes, trees are home to many animals, especially birds. Birds build nests on the trees. Am I right? Yes, a banyan tree is home to many animals. Birds, squirrels, insects and bats can live in a banyan tree. So what can live in banyan trees? Birds, squirrels, insects and bats. So these are the animals and birds that live in the banyan tree. Elephants too love the huge banyan tree. Even elephants also loves the huge banyan tree. It has lots of leaves for them to eat. Then why do elephants love the banyan tree? Because it has many leaves so that the elephants can eat them. Chirpy sparrows, cawing crows and noisy mynas are found of the banyan tree. So what are the birds? Which birds love the banyan tree? Sparrows, crows and mynas. These are the birds that love the banyan tree. It gives them plenty of fruits to eat and a place to live in. So why birds love the banyan tree? Because the banyan tree is providing them plenty of fruit. Not only the fruits to eat, but also it is providing shelter for them. They build the nest in the tree. Yes. So they love the banyan tree as it is giving the fruits to eat and shelter to live. Trees are friends. We should not cut them and we should not harm them. Listen children, trees, we should treat trees as our friends. You should always water the plants and you should see whether they are healthy or not. We should not cut the trees. They are also living things. If anybody hits you, will you feel pain? But you will cry. When we are cutting off the trees, will they cry? No. They don't have this thing to express their feelings. So trees are also living things. They do have the pain. So we should never cut the trees. Instead, we should love the trees and you have to plant a sapling so that you can protect our environment. So this is about your banyan tree children. What actually about a banyan tree? A banyan tree is a huge tree and it is as tall as a 3-story building. Banyan trees grows in the open spaces and banyan trees has the trunks that hangs down and when they hang down, the roots are coming out from the branches and they penetrate deep into the soil and they are giving big support to the huge tree. Got it, children? And banyan tree gives shelter to many animals, and even people love to sit under the banyan tree because banyan tree gives shelter and shade, and it protects from rain for the people who stays in the villages generally. Okay, and also what are the animals you find or which loves the banyan tree? Squirrels, birds, insects we find generally in the banyan tree. Elephants also love the banyan tree because it has so many leaves to eat them. And what sort of a birds love the banyan tree? Mynas, crows and sparrows, because the banyan tree is giving fruits to them to eat and shelter to them to live in. So these birds will build nest on the trees. And we should treat our trees as friends. Trees are friends. We should not cut down the trees, children. We should protect our environment. So this is about your banyan tree or a tree for all. Understood? Hope you understood the lesson. Now coming to your new words. So whichever the new words you find, you can underline it. Whatever is there, I have listed out 4, but you can underline the words branches, hanging, support, children, people, pillars, animals, squirrels, insects, elephants, sparrows, mynas, palace, trees, cawing, chirping. Just now I have read few words. So you are going to read the lesson. Whatever the words I have just spelled it out, or whatever the words just I have said you are going to underline the words in your textbook and you are going to make a note of it in your classwork notebook. Hope you enjoyed the lesson, children. Hope you understood the lesson. Thank you.